A new wartime exhibit at Darwin's Wharf is beginning to take shape and will open in just 3 weeks. The attraction combines some of the latest virtual reality and holographic technology to give visitors an interactive experience of the bombing of Darwin.
It's the day war came to Australia's shores, and soon locals and tourists will be transported back in time to 1942 as part of a new exhibit to open at the Wharf.
Our initial intentions were to put 2 iconic stories into one iconic location.
The Royal Flying Doctors Service is building the attraction. Inside, the history of the medical airline, as well as the bombing of Darwin, will be told using the latest technology.
So we think it's important that we can excite people by the technology and the static displays that are in here, but we can also educate at the same time.
Construction has been underway for months, and finally the displays are beginning to take shape.
This replica plane will hopefully be hung from the roof later today, and then eventually on the ground below will be an interactive floor that when visitors are watching the window of 1942 and seeing bombs being dropped on Darwin, the floor will shake, bringing the whole experience to life.
But if you want to be closer to the action, the virtual reality experience will put you in the middle of one of the bombing raids.
I think that the VR technology, where the goggles on the eyes, where you can actually see and feel it, I think will be a lot. Will mean a lot to people because you actually feel like you're sitting in it.
If you'd rather sit back, the hologram of decorated American World War II veteran Rear Admiral Etheridge Jim Grant will tell you the story of the USS William B. Preston, one of the many American ships in Darwin's harbour on that day.
The force of the blast reverberated across the harbour, blowing me into the water.
Remarkably, he and the ship survived. His grandchildren will travel from the US to Darwin for the official opening. Doors open to the public on July 27. Kathleen Bruin, 9 News.